In the heart of the wilderness, one skill in campfire cooking can truly make a difference in survival. The art begins with selecting the right wood. Hardwoods like oak or hickory provide long-lasting embers. Knowing how to start a fire without matches, using flint and steel, ensures you can cook even when traditional tools fail. Improvised utensils, like a forked stick for roasting or a flat stone for grilling, demonstrate creativity and resourcefulness. Cook in stages, understanding that dense foods like potatoes need more heat and time, while leafy greens cook best over coals. Maintaining an organized cooking area also ensures that your fire remains safe, preventing accidents and preserving essential resources.